our alma mater. You will be in our hearts through the years. You're the fountain of light and wisdom. You're the star that ever shines to guide the way. We have the power of God Almighty. Ever keep watch and pray you from all harm. Beloved Jesus, we shall always be proud of you until we die. Aming paaralan, dangal ang bayan, tinig ng papuri pakinggan. Pagkakilay, walang hangganan, sandigan ka ng pag-asa at tagumpay. Aming paaralan, iyong asahan, pagtulong namin at pagmamahal. Nagdaang araw, dililimutin habang kami nabubuhay. Nagdaang araw, dililimutin habang kami nabubuhay.